Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to this channel Bright Ways. How are you mates? I hope you are keeping well. I hope you have enjoyed my last video in which you might have learned about the diphthong sound, some difficult words to pronounce and some expression from our daily conversation. Today in this video, I'll endeavor to help you to learn advanced English to sound more like a native. By using these advanced expressions and words, you will certainly feel like you know a bit more about the English language. I will be helping you with a little bit pronunciation also. I hope you will find this video useful. As usual, I'd like to say you, if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to click the subscription and bell notification icon and do comment in the comment section also. So do subscribe now. So guys, the first word from the list is aspiration. Use aspiration instead of aim, goal, objective. What career aspiration do you have? What do you aspire to be? Consideration. Consideration means to think carefully. You need to take into consideration all the different factors when deciding what university to go to. Conundrum. Conundrum means problem or issue. I find myself in a bit of a conundrum. Endeavor. Endeavor means to try. I will endeavor to help you in this matter. Impetus. Impetus means motivation. He is lacking the impetus to study. Instead of saying to carry, use lug or drag. For example, I lug my big suitcase to the airport. Perspective. Perspective means opinion. What's your perspective on this? Should we go for the deal or not? I'm pissed off with you. I'm pissed off with you means I'm angry with you. I'll Tower. I'll Tower means I'll think about it. Tower is used in decision making. It's nippy or chilly. Nippy or chilly means cold. I'll be back in a mo. I'll be back in a mo means I'll be back soon or in a moment. Fancy a Koopa. Fancy a Koopa means would you like a cup of tea? Fancy means like. So you can say I fancy you means I like you. Fancy is also used for smart. Like you can say, you look fancy means you are looking smart. I'm going to pop into the cafe to grab something to drink. Pop in means going into. I'm out or I'm out of here. It means I'm going. I'm famished or starving. I'm famished or starving means I'm hungry. Beside famished and starving, peckish is a word if you are a little bit hungry. The word is peckish. Instead of using the word carry to carry something heavy, use lug or drag. For example, I lugged my big suitcase to the airport. I'm going to peruse the newspaper. Peruse is used to study deep. I got muddled up in my rush to finish the work before the weekend, and I got everything wrong. Muddle up means to get confused. So guys, in the last section of this video, you will learn how to reply the question, how are you? Guys, if someone comes up to you and says, how are you? Your reply can be, I'm quite well, thank you. I'm alright. I'm all good. Can't complain. I'm not bad. I'm over the moon. I'm fantastic, amazing, really good. I'm cool, sound, sweet. Now, what about when you turn the question round on someone? So you can say, I'm quite well, thank you. And you? Or yourself? What about you? So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. Guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, then it's the right time to click the subscription and bell notification icon. Thanks once again, keep in touch.